Rust, rust, rust. It's so easy to find help to fight unwanted rust, but there is simply no help when you do want rust. Fear not, you can now make rust happen without physically sink your object into water and literally wait through that long time. Introducing Make Your Own Rust real fast. It's really easy to use. First, apply the black spray paint to your surface. Second, paste the masking materials which is sand and water onto the pen. And then, take the brown can to roughly spray paint over the surface again. Now, you have just got that rusty surface right away. It's ideal for model making, where you need that rusty quality instantly, giving your boring laptop a cool new look. Or creating rust on non-metal objects to impress your friend. Now, and we'll triple the size of everything in the kit for just $19.99, shipping free. Plus, a bonus video that shows you how to create that rusty peeling paint effect. Just pick up your phone and call now 1-800-GET-RUST, 1-800-GET-RUST, or visit us at www.makeyourownrustrealfast.com.